am Anil. I came to AH Career Institute to learn the communication skills and also spoken English. English means how to communicate with both each other. Now I came to learn about that. Madam said that SPLSRW means S means speaking skills, L means learning skills, R means reading, and W means writing skills. These four I am learning now. In anybody don't know about would, could, should. Now I want to tell about the three differences. Would we use in only past tense? Could we always use in present or past or also future tenses? These three tenses we can use could, and should we use only in future tense. In would, it shows future possibility and also it has habitual actions. Example for future possibilities: if it rains, I would stay in my house. That is the future possibility. For example, for the habitual action means when I am younger, I would like to play cricket with my friends. That is the example for the habitual action. Coming to could we use in three tenses: future, present, past. The present tense example for present tense is: could you please allow me to go outside? Could will also we saying it will comes under permission also. We can ask in permission also. It will comes in past tense. She could speak 3 to 5 languages at the age of 10 years. And in that future tense, if you study hard, you could get good marks. And coming to we use in only future tense. On the We should use should on the basis of obligation, order, or recommendation. These three types we can use should. In order, you should complete the work by the deadline. Coming in the recommendation, you should go to doctor if you are suffering with any problem. Would, could, we should use only in asking permission and saying about anything. Should మనం వుడ్ కానీ కుడ్ కానీ ఎవరినైనా ఏదైనా అడుగుతున్నప్పుడు కానీ లేదంటే పర్మిషన్ పొలైట్ రిక్వెస్ట్లో పర్మిషన్ అడుగుతున్నప్పుడు కానీ వుడ్ని కుడ్ని యూజ్ చేస్తాం. అవి ఉపయోగపడతాయి. అండ్ షుడ్ అనేది మనకి ఎప్పుడన్నా మనం ఆర్డర్ ఇవ్వడానికి కానీ లేదంటే రికమెండేషన్ ఎవరికైనా చేయడానికి కానీ ఎవరికైనా సజెషన్ ఇవ్వడానికి అప్పుడు మనం షుడ్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం. షుడ్ అనేది ఉపయోగపడతాయి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.